Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to remove ads from Yahoo Mail permanently. So you can remove temporarily or you can do it permanently by removing your ads by purchasing a Yahoo Mail Plus subscription. So when you go here and go and search your help and then go to remove or hide ads in Yahoo Mail, you will be able to be prompted to purchasing a Yahoo Mail Plus subscription. So I myself already have it, so I'm just gonna prompt you to say this. So I don't have ads anymore in my account, but if you have any ads in your account and you want it permanently gone, this is the only solution you can do so that you won't be able to receive any ads, or you can just opt to use Gmail instead of Yahoo if you don't really prefer the ads that much and you don't really mind using another account. So you can switch to Google or Gmail instead. So this is the only legal way you can remove and hide ads in your Yahoo Mail by purchasing the Yahoo Mail Plus subscription.